Photoelectric honeycomb lamp is a brand new patented and privated mode product with a single head 50-watt full power. With the patented patchwork structure, it can be assembled into various kinds of power and various types of lamps without any spare parts, which will greatly reduce the inventory category and quantity. Many different needs can be met with linear drive, constant current drive, and near-infines and other configurations. Various applications can be spliced into the projection lamp, through the lamp head, mining lamp, ceiling lamp, high pole lamp, etc. High efficiency before and after heat dissipation can guarantee higher power demand. The structure of a light source is two-stage waterproof, IP65 protection level, which is suitable for outdoor long-term use, and it will not coagulate water droplets. More intelligent temperature control, anti-surge 4 kV, pressure resistant 3 kV can meet the complex power consumption environment on the factory side. The lamp body adopts secondary light distribution with a raised lens angle, universal support, and wire harness accessories for your choice. Whether it is high-power lamp or high-power projection lamp, it can be easily installed and staged maintenance. Lightweight plastic packaging can resist 2 meters high drop test. E-commerce providers are more fearless than Violent Express. A full range of EU, CE, RoHS, FCC certification. Foreign trade companies can easily connect to foreign customers. 2 years of quality assurance with bad for new. No worry after the sale. Photoelectric honeycomb lamp, a brand new revolutionary product, willing to join hands with you to create a bright future.